Just a quick look on how to adjust your gun for a perfect spray pattern using the SemiPro 2 and M model gun. So setting up the turbine is honestly the easiest thing you've ever done. Just make sure that the filter is installed on both sides of the turbine. Power switch is just here, and that's about all there is to know on the turbine. Let's look at the gun settings. So on the air hose itself, there's an air valve that controls how much air goes to your spray gun. This is an optional 6-foot flexible whip that I'm awful fond of. Make quick connect with your gun. The fan pattern, or how wide your spray pattern is adjusted with this blue knob here. And then this is the fluid output control knob, and what's counterintuitive there is you back this out counterclockwise to increase your fluid output. And then select an air cap size depending on the thickness of the fluid that you're spraying. This 1.3 air cap set that it comes with is great for lacquers, polyurethanes, shellacs, and things like that. But if you're going to spray a thicker coating like paint, you might just want to jump up 1 or 2 steps on their air cap sets. Available sets that are larger than this 1.3 size include 1.5, 1.8, and even a 2.0 millimeter set. So we're seeing a nice finely atomized finish, and my fan pattern is about where I want it, nice and wide, but I'm getting a little bit too much fluid output, so I'm going to turn this knob in clockwise to decrease that a bit, and we'll try again. So that final adjustment did the trick. I think I'm ready to spray my project. One thing to notice about this M-style gun is the pressure tube. Now that's what provides continual positive pressure to the fluid cup for a really consistent spray pattern. Another thing I really love about the M-style gun is you can get this available accessory that's a gravity feed conversion. So you can turn any standard M-style gun into a gravity feed gun if you want to have that option down the road. So if you're getting serious about spray finishing and you want that factory smooth finish, I would say the SemiPro 2 is a great choice, especially if you select the kit that has that M model bottom feed gun. I've had great results with it.